The events of the last year and a half involving members of our Supreme Court and many others have raised really serious concerns about whether Pennsylvanians can obtain fair and equal treatment in our courts. Today, there are 12.8 million people living in Pennsylvania. More than 6.5 million are women, more than 2.3 million of them are non-white, and more than 270,000 of them self-identify as LGBT. All of them have reason for concern over the conduct exposed in the scandalous emails that we know now that judges, justices, prosecutors, and others in the legal system exchanged. If you're a woman, a minority, LGBT, these emails reveal just how so many people charged with protecting you and your interests view you and talk about you in private. And tragically, it's the same way the people who make you feel unsafe in your home and streets view you, as an unequal, an object to be mocked, mistreated, and abused. These emails are certainly pornographic or disgusting, as they have been reported, but what is worse is that they reveal an attitude, a disease still penetrating deep into our system and infecting it at its very highest levels. This is why we need judicial reform. Today, the Supreme Court has the remarkable and distinct power to appoint half the members who sit on the Judicial Conduct Board and on the Court of Judicial Discipline, and who the court chooses to appoint, who on the court makes the choice, and how the court reaches the decisions it makes is a secret for them to keep. Even worse than that, however, is the stark fact that in recent years, the court has reinserted itself directly into the process of overseeing and disciplining, or not, judges using what is called King's Bench power. That flies in the face of the very clear purpose and language inserted into our Constitution less than 30 years ago to prevent just such a thing. Despite the elevated status and deference we give to the court, the email conduct, plus the direction the court has taken with regard to judicial discipline, shows that it is just legal fiction to consider them less fallible to failure and equally blind to their own prejudices and mistakes, just as any other person would be.